Good morning. I am cooking some chorizo for breakfast. I'm actually doing it in 2 batches. I could have done. Hi. I see you. Grated me some cheese. I just went ahead and bought a 2-pound this time. That's about a third. So I'm going to put that back in the refrigerator. Drinking me some kombucha. Got the eggs. That's going to be for the chorizo. Butter for the eggs. But I could have cooked it all together, but we were only going to have half, and I decided I'll go ahead and cook it now, and I'll just freeze it. So for breakfast this morning, chorizo, egg, and cheese burrito. I know it seems like I eat a lot of burritos, but I hardly ever show the cooking videos of me eating an apple and peanut butter for breakfast, or a banana, because there's no cooking involved. So anyway, I'm going to get this cooked up, drained. Always drain your chorizo. Look at that. Yeah, and then I will cook the eggs. This evening, we're having a cheeseburger with avocado, pickles. I have no lettuce or cabbage, so. And a stuffed jalapeno, green onions. And this morning I'm having some cheese grits. These are quick grits. And I add a little bit of that. It's Walmart's brand of Velveeta. That's what I'm having for breakfast this morning. And the rest of my stuffed jalapenos. I just threw them in a pan to warm them up a little bit. I like them warmer. They don't have to be all the way hot, but I do like them warmed up a little bit. Alright, I'm cooking me a hamburger patty. I'm going to put some green chilies on it. And then some queso on top. And that is going to be my lunch. The other one, I'm not eating both of these, so I will save the other one for another meal. Alright, there it is. Half of avocado, a little bit of jalapeno, and hamburger patty with queso on top. Cooked to perfection. That's good. Alright, this morning we're having sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. Yeah, this is sausage that I cooked, I guess, in January and froze it in the freezer. And I pulled it out yesterday. I was going to put it in my chili con queso and decided, no, I just want cheese dip. So I thought, well, I'll just have that for breakfast this morning. So it's burritos again this morning. So I'm a doing.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing? I am working on a little whittling project. Yeah, I'm practicing because this is all, I don't know. I think it's kind of messed up, but anyway. Sitting out here enjoying the nice summer day in February. I got a new whittling board. A lady at our home base, she also is a carver, whittler, woodsworker, whatever we're going to call it. And she had one of these, and I was like, that is so cool. And so she made me one. So it's really neat. What I love and what she was telling me about it is like, when sometimes you got to take a lot of wood off of something, you can push it up against there and whittle. Also, it has a lip underneath. So if you had it on a table, then you even have more leverage because it puts, you can push the board up against the edge of the table. So very cool. This is a game changer. It really is. I've been sitting here whittling for, I don't know how long. Close to an hour?
Yeah, over, yeah.
and love it. Love it, love it, love it.
I thought you might say, look what Deborah made me. Different Deborah.
Yeah, her name is Debbie. Yeah, look what Deborah made me. So, yeah, her name is Debbie, and she whittles a lot. So, hopefully when we go back to home base that I can sit down and whittle with her. She can teach me a thing or two.
Are they? Are they? Are they? Sammer's easy, baby. Oh, okay. All right.
What do you want? What is it? Really? Well, go.
She goes, I've got to hurt something.
Well, go home. Go home.
Are you hungry?
Oh, God.
Okay. I was talking to Sammy, but okay. Wait, let me do that again. Finn, are you hungry? Yes? Oh, okay. Well, that was a big bark. Yeah, that was a big bark.
Well, go home. Let's go home. Let's go home.
See y'all later.
Guess I'm going to go feed her. Oh, she left the door open. You hungry? Yeah? Okay. Let's feed you. All right, it is 88 degrees in my rig, so Cook With Me Tonight is happening outside. So here's the set. When y'all see this, obviously Cook With Me is going to be over with, but we're cooking beef stroganoff. I don't have any of the food out here yet because it's hot. So right before it starts, I'll bring out the meat and the garlic. And we're using canned mushrooms, and then later on I'll bring out the sour cream. So food safety first. Yes. So there is what I'm cooking on. There's the camera that's going to be showing the stove. And I'll be able to read comments here. I can sit down and read comments. And there's Deborah.
Getting ready.
Getting ready. So, what are you doing?
She says, I'm ready.
Are you ready? She says, yes, I'm ready too. Round and round. Circle, circle, circle. Your tail goes in circles. Now it goes back and forth. Can it go in circles again? Can you wag your tail? She says, I'm over it. All right. Got about 10 minutes. All right, the kitchen has moved to behind my truck because it's already hot outside for breakfast, and I am in the shade. So I cooked on the grill or at the campfire yesterday. Cooked these sausage. There's my little makeshift cutting board. my spatula. I'm gonna cut these up. We're having egg, sausage, and cheese. It is hot out, but I am cooking chili relleno casserole today. I didn't show any of it. Maybe I'll show it when I take the lid off. But we got friends here for the casserole. We got Dan, we got Dubs, and Hike With Me. She's just not there right now, but anyway. That's for dinner. Ooh, bubbly, bubbly. Sammy's like, what is it? What's she got?
I got something for you. Over here. Sam, right here. And sit. Sit. Good boy.
Ooh, they got Kongs.
I'm not going to hold them for you guys.
There's peanut butter in them.
I hate that we don't have a carpet over here because they're going to get all dirty.
You don't want it, Sammy?
He doesn't know.
Turn it around. Oh. Why don't you get in your bed?
Come here, Sam.
All right, you gonna get some?
I will.
Why is it so cream or looks so juicy?
Well, I love it. Look at that. Woo!
Cheesy.
Doggy.
Doggy.
Woo, doggy.
We didn't get anything else but that. But you gotta have raisins and pecans and sour cream. There's some salsa. They're so cute. Okay, I'm warming up that beef stroganoff we had on Cook With Me on Tuesday. It just was a little dry, so I am gonna add some mushroom soup. Just the way you are.
I can't think of the song now. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause Finn, you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause Finn, you're amazing, just the way you are. Of course, now he doesn't do it. I would like for you not to eat my RV.
He says, oh, this?
Let's
No,
not eat the RV, okay? We can find you some toys, but you're not going to eat my RV.
He's like, let me back up there. Oh, what are you fixing?
I am doing, I started to say turkey. Where the heck? Bacon. And we've got lettuce and tomato and cheese left over from hamburgers yesterday. And so we're going to have BLTs with cheese.
Yes.
The whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. You done now? Okay, good deal.
Sammy's like, I'm over it. Did you get her bed? Oh! I took you down. Are y'all talking to each other? Sam says, I ain't having it. I ain't having it. What you doing? What you doing? He says, I wanted this chair. I was booting her out. I was booting her out. Were you booting her out? Did it work? Guess it did. Don't fall off the chair.
He says, here I come.
You coming over? You coming over? Mama, mama, mama.
I'm sorry, baby. Oh, I know. You want my lap so bad. But I'm working. I'm sorry. I'm working. You like to eat, right? Mama needs to work.
Oh. Somebody said
No, I didn't. I didn't say it. I didn't.
AAT.
And I'm way early.
Quit. Baby girl. Baby girl.
You want to talk to me? Okay, all right. Are you hungry? You are too, Sammy? Okay. Okay, don't hurt my computer. Okay, no barking.
You ready?
Okay, all right. I got you. Just no more barking, okay? So, well, you told me to talk to you. See, talk, don't bark.
Wait. You hungry? Are you hungry? She's gonna go to the barbecue pit. Sammy, not there. Go home. Sammy, go home.
Are you hungry?
She went. She says, I'm waiting on you. What? Are you hungry? Am I not fast enough? What? Open, open, open.